change how to educate them. More than 3% of the Philippine population is under the poverty line. And this poverty line divides the Filipinos into two. The private and public. In terms of education, it divides Filipinos into two, private and public. But poor children usually enroll in public schools. And these poor children has access in low, and according to Ibon research studies, that these poor children have access in poor quality education. Thus, in the future, they have low chance in getting a good job to have their everyday needs. And the country, education is the most is the problem that our president should solve. Our country is the 7th among 8 Southeast Asian in education. So we as PNU1 should have the initiative to teach the future generation in order to have equality and fruitful future. Okay.